Hello everyone. Okay, my name is Shiv. I know it's been a while that I did a video on Bitcoin. Um, so today's topic it was what is Bitcoin mining? Because if you know about Bitcoin, if you heard about Bitcoin, then I'm sure you definitely heard about Bitcoin mining also. So let's understand Bitcoin mining in a layman's language. Now you know that every bank, every company have a transactions, have a book wherein all the transactions are recorded and kept for referral in future, correct? So how does a bank record a transaction? They put it on their ledger, and that is where they write all the incoming and outgoing, whether it's back from bank to bank or whether it's from bank to a customer or wherever. All the records are kept in a book, in a ledger. So, but that is only valid for the bank who is recording it. Not nobody else can see those transactions. However, when it comes to Bitcoin also have a ledger, and the ledger name is called blockchain ledger. What is unique about this blockchain ledger? It's an open ledger. That means that it can be downloaded on any computer, just like how internet can be accessed on any computer across the globe. Similarly, blockchain ledger can be downloaded. So what happens is this ledger, imagine one ledger having a copy across the globe, right? So what happens is, let's say if I download the blockchain ledger on my computer, I can also see all the transactions happening across the globe on the computer. So there is no one central server which holds the Bitcoin or blockchain ledger. It is a distributed ledger, so that means it can be downloaded anywhere. You cannot erase it, you cannot delete it, you cannot hack it. This ledger cannot be hacked. Let's say this computer got hacked, you go onto any other computer, download it, and you can see the transactions already. So what happens is the mining, now when somebody wants to download this blockchain technology on the computer, what it actually means is they are able to access the network of Bitcoin, all the transactions which are taking place. Whenever a transaction takes place, to validate those transactions, verify it, and put it on the blockchain is called mining. And for doing this, whoever does this, so there are many miners across the globe. Who is a miner? Anybody who is working on the blockchain ledger is called miner. So whichever miner approves the transaction, records it on the blockchain first, gets a reward, and the reward is nothing but a new Bitcoin. Right now, this is basically how it works is, when you record it, it has to be visible for other miners also, and obviously that's the idea, that when you record it on the ledger, it is visible to all the blockchain miners across the globe. So there is not just one person. You may not know the person who is verifying it, but you need a consensus on that. So if I say that this transaction has taken place and this is a valid transaction, this goes on the blockchain ledger, there are other miners who are looking after it and looking and verifying what I have done and whether it's right. Only once they approve that okay, this is perfect, then this transaction is approved, right? This all happens within a fraction of a second, fraction of a minute. So this is Bitcoin mining. Now who does mining and why do they actually do mining? So for mining, we need a set of supercomputers. You can call it farming. If you Google it, if you YouTube it, you will see how the Bitcoin mining farms work. There are hundreds, thousands of computers running 24/7, consuming electricity, and verifying the transaction 24/7. So this is how a Bitcoin mining farm looks like. Now you may have been approached by somebody about a Bitcoin mining opportunity or invest into Bitcoin mining. Honestly, not everybody who tells you invest into Bitcoin mining are actually mining. So it's very, very difficult, or it's not easy to identify who is actually mining. So what we can also do is we can go on blockchain.info, and if you go into mining pools, you will see all the miners listed there who are genuinely Bitcoin mining, who are genuinely have a setup and approving the transactions and winning a new Bitcoin for that. Otherwise, most of them, in the name of mining, they're not actually mining. they could be there is a chance that you could be also cheated in terms of mining. So yes, the mining is a genuine process which is very essential for the Bitcoin transactions to be approved. However, you need to be very careful choosing a mining company. So this was all about mining. If you have any question, how does it work, if you have any feedback or suggestion from me, do let me know, and do like and subscribe to this channel, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Cheers.